Oh my god, guys, I received 10,000 token in my Blocket account. Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I want to show you a trick on Blocket, how to get free tokens in your Blocket account. Please follow this video step by step. Now I open a new tab and I search www.go token pro. As you can see, go token pro. I press enter and this page is loading. As you can see, token booster. Now you need to choose how much token do you want. This is recent activity. Now I select how much token I want. I want 10,000 token and I press climb now. Your account information, your username. My Blocket username is Albert. Now I enter my Blocket username and your dispositive. Now I use my computers and I press continue. Please follow this video step by step. Please share with your friend. Please like and subscribe and comments for more tutorials and Blocket video. As you can see, it's almost down. To prevent robot abuse of our generator, you are requested to complete the human verification by click the button below. Verify now. Verify with survey. Survey for your typical content takes 2 minutes. Now you need to complete one of this survey. I select this survey. Now I follow this instruction. As you can see, I need to send a CMC on this number. Now I put the video in pause because I can't send the CMC and record it at the same time, but I will be back. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now I complete this survey. Good, guys, I send the CMC. Now I want to check. As you can see, it's finished. Now you can close Alt tab. And as you can see, I received this notification. Congratulations, you own 10,000 tokens. I press climb. And now, as you can see, I have 10,000 tokens in my Blocket account for free, guys. This tutorial, it's work, it's legit. Please share with your friends this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and comments. And follow me for more tutorials. Now I want to shop on these tokens. Bye bye.